Om Sai Ram to all the beautiful Baba lovers out there. Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the messages. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon if you feel connected with these Sai messages that I keep giving. So today, I think last week's video I had posted that I'm very angry, I'm very frustrated maybe, and Baba was also giving me cards like that. So the whole week Baba had been, giving me small troubles, big troubles, but one side, if you see, he has always taken care of me, he has always blessed me, and he has always, even tested me. You all must be wondering what are the tests Baba will take from me. Baba also takes tests. In fact, even in recent times, Baba keeps taking tests. Sometimes he tests my patience, sometimes, he just sees whether I have faith in him. Sometimes he even checks if I have promised him something that I will do, am I sticking on to it, and if I'm sticking on to it or not. And believe me, if I don't stick on to it, he is a very good reminder. He reminds us in such beautiful ways, you will not even know. By the time you realize he has reminded you, you will be like, oh my god, how can I even think of doing such a stupidity. So that's this awesome person in my life. And whenever he triggers me, and believe me when I say this triggers me, Baba knows where I will react, how I will react, and he loves it. He just loves triggering me. And I just look at his eyes and I say, I know you're testing me. I'm not going to be tested. I'm not going to break my head over it when you're there to handle. And he just handles it. So as I said, I am still not completely fine, so I will go ahead with the reading. Let us see what the first card is. Forms of divinity. Yes, this I always believe, that everyone should be treated with respect, and but at the same time, I also say one thing: if they give respect, then they get respect. If they don't give respect, they don't get respect. And many of you know I am a very outspoken person, so I believe in this policy of what Baba says, that there is a divinity in everyone and in everything. Even a small plant has some sort of divinity because it heals us. A huge tree has its own divination because it heals us. Just looking at the road, when your mind diverts, even that road has a divinity that heals us. Though you might be thinking there are some things or some people who don't heal you, they make you get frustrated or angry, but even that is an emotion where Baba is testing you how far you can control that emotion. So today, if you get angry seeing someone, just tell him, I know you're testing me, and I'm not going to allow myself to get irritated, allow myself to get tested, allow myself to get angry and fall into that emotion. Today, if you feel like crying, tell him, I know you're there. So if I'm crying, then it is you who's crying. So Baba, bless me. I want to overcome everything, and I want to be treated equally with respect the way I treat everyone. I have even kept these cards. New roads will emerge with Sai. I will make a way for you. Come, hold my hand and walk with me. I always believe in this, just hold on to his hand, and I'm sure he is going to bless you. He is going to, he's going to tell you what is the right thing. Because in my case, whenever my mind or my heart has, diverted and I have not known what to do, I have just looked at him, and I have just said, Baba, do something. Make me come out of it. I know you can handle it. I know you're there for me. And the next day, or sometimes in just a couple of hours, it is just done. I just see a light, I see an idea, I see a help coming my way. Sometimes the help does come late, but whenever it comes in the best form. So today, why don't we chant this mantra 21 times? Sai Sharnam, Hari Sharnam, Namo Sainath, Namo Sainath. Sai Sharnam, Hari Sharnam, Namo Sainath, Namo Sainath. With that, I shall not take much of your time today. Om Sai Ram. May Baba bless you all with all the happiness, health, wealth and prosperity. May you all be blessed, and may He always show you His presence and make you all happy. Om Sai Ram.